Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of stopping by this channel, you're heartily welcome, and please do consider clicking on that red blue subscribe button. Also click on the notification bell that pops up just immediately you've subscribed, so that YouTube can get you notified whenever I post a new videos like this one. On this channel I post videos on health benefits, DIYs, natural remedies, and so many more. So if you're interested, keep liking this video, keep subscribing to my channel, and keep sharing. I don't normally say share on this channel, but you know the drill. Like, subscribe, share, comment, and so many more. Okay, just don't keep this information to yourself. Always share to your family and friends. Okay, in today's video I bring to you a natural remedy for stretch mark. It's not just one remedy. I'm going to give you more than one remedies for stretch marks. Yes, if you've never had stretch marks on your skin, on any part of your skin, just know that you are blessed. Brother, sister, you are truly blessed. You are a definition of blessed. Okay, I'm not saying that those of us that have stretch mark are not blessed, but I'm saying blessed in terms of skin. Okay, all right. Stretch mark is a no-no for everybody. There is no one that will come out and say, yes, stretch mark makes me feel good. No, that is a lie. If you ever hear someone say it is a lie, it's a big lie, a white lie, if there is anything like that. Okay, stretch marks can happen on any part of your body. Stretch marks comes as a result of stretching on your skin. If your skin stretches quickly or shrinks quickly, it will leave that line, that streaks of line on your body, and it's not good at all. It doesn't look good. It doesn't look good at all. Okay, so nobody wants stretch marks on his or her skin. Stretch marks can happen on your shoulder, on your laps, on your boobs, or on your buttocks. Stretch marks can happen anywhere. Okay, so there is no place. Okay, there are places you might not see stretch marks, but the major place women experiences stretch marks is on their stomach. Okay, this comes as a result of childbirth, pregnancy. Many women, when they put to bed, or even in the course of the pregnancy, they start noticing that streaks of line on their tummy. That stretch mark, their skin starts stretching because of the pregnancy, and most times after putting to bed, the stretch marks remains. It will remain on your stomach for a very long time, and sometimes it doesn't even go. It can only fade a little, but it will not disappear totally. Okay, so everyone wants to remove this unwanted tenants on his or her skin. That is why I bring to you some remedies you can try out to reduce the appearance of this stretch mark. So if you're interested to see these remedies and try them out, please continue watching, and remember to subscribe, like, share, and do so many more with this video. Okay, all right, let's go into the remedies. All right, lovely people, in this video I will show you 2 remedies to remove stretch mark. In the first remedy, we'll be using 2 ingredients: bicarbonate of soda and lemon. Another name for bicarbonate of soda is baking soda. Baking soda or bicarbonate of soda is a natural exfoliant. It will help you remove dead skin cells and also remove stretch mark over a long period of time. So get bicarbonate of soda. And the second ingredient is lemon. We are not going to use this whole lemon. We are just going to use half of the lemon. Okay, so lemon juice has bleaching properties. It will help you lighten your skin and also reduce the stretch mark and make it less visible. So we are going to combine these 2 ingredients together to make a powerful remedy for stretch mark. How do you go about this? We are going to get a clean, dry, small bowl, and into it we are going to add just a tablespoon, not a teaspoon, a tablespoon of bicarbonate of soda, which is also called baking soda. So add a tablespoon of bicarbonate of soda into a clean, dry bowl, and the next thing we are going to do is to cut our lemon juice into half. But before I cut this lemon juice, I'm going to microwave it for just a minute. If you don't microwave your lemon, you're not going to bring out lots of juice from it. I've already done the microwaving and it's already soft, so this is going to help me to get as much lemon juice as I can from this lemon. So if you don't do this, please try doing it. You will love it. So after microwaving your lemon for a minute, not more than a minute, just a minute, we are going to cut it into 2 equal halves. Please, the microwaving I said before is not compulsory. You can just squeeze out the lemon juice without microwaving it. Okay, so we are going to add up to 10 to 12 drops of lemon juice into the baking soda. After adding the 10 to 12 drops of lemon juice into the baking soda, we are going to stir this very well. We're going to stir it very well to make a solution. The solution is what we need for this. Okay, how do you use this solution? All you need to do with this solution is to get your cotton balls or cotton board, anyone you have, and just place it into, dip it into the solution, and you rub it on the affected area very well in a circular motion. I repeat again, dip a cotton wool or cotton balls into the solution and rub it on the affected area in a circular motion very well. Scrub it very well in a circular motion and leave it there for about 20 minutes. Don't wash it off. Leave it for about 20 minutes, then you can finally wash it off. Okay, all right there. Please, one thing I'm going to say before we move into the second remedy is always do a patch test. Before you do this, please do a patch test first. Apply a small amount of this mixture on your arm and leave it for 10 minutes. If it doesn't itch or it doesn't react with your skin, then you can now apply it on the affected area. Okay, in the second remedy, we just need 2 ingredients once again: sugar and pure almond oil. White granulated sugar and pure almond oil. Sugar has been proven to be an effective method to fade stubborn stretch mark. It is really good in this. Almond oil, on the other hand, gets rid of dry skin, dark circles, and stretch marks. It is also very rich in vitamin E. It reduces the color of the stretch marks with time. Okay, so what do we do with these 2 ingredients? We just combine them. We get a clean dry bowl and we are going to take 2 tablespoons of white sugar, granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of white sugar, and then we are going to add 1 tablespoon of pure almond oil. Just 1 tablespoon. Almond oil is a softening agent, so don't add more than 1 tablespoon. So what do we do next? We mix these 2 ingredients together until the sugar has softened. Yes, until the sugar has softened. If you don't have almond oil, not to worry, just get coconut oil, original coconut oil, the white one. Don't make use of the colored one, or no, make use of the white one, or should I say the transparent one. That is the coconut oil you should be making use of. Okay, and add just 1 tablespoon of the coconut oil into the sugar and mix as well. After mixing it, what do? Just wash your hand and take a little bit of these 2 ingredients we mix together and scrub it in a circular motion on the affected area. Scrub it on the affected area. Okay, scrub it for about 5 minutes, continuously for about 5 minutes. If you don't have time, don't do less than 2 minutes. Okay, then you leave it for 2 minutes, then you can wash it off. All right, do this as long as you have to, because this is not something that will just go away within 2 days or 3 days. This can take a little time, so you need to be a little bit patient with these remedies. Okay, Alright, they have come to the end of today's video. If you are going to try any of my remedies, please comment down below and tell me. I'm always eager to know which remedy you people want to try, and tell me the particular remedy that you find more interesting. Okay, I'll be waiting to read your comments. Alright, see you in my next video. Remain blessed.